Do you want to start your own LLC in Nebraska? You're watching the right video. My name is Marcus, and in this video, I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in Nebraska. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help you start your own LLC. And my camera just went off. And what you want to do is just click here, start my business. I always say that you should focus on running the business, making money, creating value for people, and not taking care of all the administration, accounting, and all the stuff. So when you're going to be in Incfile, you want to choose here the LLC and state of formation. You want to scroll down below and find Nebraska. When you're going to do it, you're going to have 3 plans here: silver, gold, and platinum. Silver is the basic one with the filling the articles, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But then you're going to have an option for gold or platinum. Now, gold is really great because you can have the business tax number, IRS form, the online access dashboard, unlimited phone email support, business tax consultation. This is huge here. So I always recommend going with the gold, so Incfile will cover for you most of the stuff. And then you got also option for platinum version. And platinum version, you can have the expedited filling, domain name and business email. And also the business contract templates. Expedited filling means that your LLC would be filled faster. So when you look on the plan which you want, then just click here. I'm going with the gold package because that's the one I recommend. Here I'm going to add a first name, last name, and email address. Now you add there 2. Then we are going to add a phone number. Okay. Like this. And then mailing address. Street address. So like this. City. And state. Nebraska. And when you got it, press next. Here you got also option to have a filling time faster, so you can go with the 10 business days or 5 weeks filling time. So it really depends how fast you need your LLC, and you choose that. Then press next again, and here you're going to choose the LLC name. So I'm going to add a name that I have on my LLC, but you can choose your own. Then you're going to choose also the designator. You can choose, like, let's say Bakery by Jessica, whatever. Number of members and owners, or like how many owners your LLC is going to have. I'm going to choose 1. And business purpose. So please provide a brief description of a business purpose. So let's say it's a marketing service for business owners. Industry keyword, I'm going to have marketing. Marketing consulting services. Then again, I'm going to choose the company address information. If you have office, if you have virtual address, or like some business address, write it here. Click next. Now you got also the upgrade for only $149, and you can easily have premium service package. So you would have the expedited filling time. Then you got also options to have business contract templates. And if you didn't choose the faster filling time, if you want, you can go this way with the premium service package, and you would click here, get upgrade and bonus. If you like also domain name and business email address. So then you're gonna have the member one here. So you can go with name and address, and then 100% of the ownership. So, and when you have all of these, and you got this covered, then click next. Then you're gonna have the registered agent information here. Like you need to have a registered agent, and you can do it by yourself, but what I recommend is actually doing it with the Incfile, because you would have got it free for the first year, and they got covered all the stuff for you. You can also read what is the registered agent right here. And then what you would do, you would click next here again. Then you see the tax identification number information here. So you can I'm foreign individual and do not have the social security number. No. My first name, last name, Marcus Stone, and then I would add a SSN number. And when I got it, I gotta see also the physical street address here. And when you have it, I'm going to press next again. And then you see the setting up small business banking. So you got the option to have your bank account with Bank of America. And here you would click yes, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact me. And if you want, you can go this way or not at this time. That's also up to you. And then you would press next again. And then free consultation, how your LLC is taxed. This is something that I would definitely recommend for you to have, is to have the option to have a consultation with the Incfile. And then when you would complete your order, they would write to you about the consultation. Then I would press next again. And here you can have the business licenses and permits. So this is another thing that I would definitely recommend for Incfile covered for you, that all the licenses that you need for the segment that you're in, let's say construction, marketing, whatever, you need to have them. You can do the work by yourself in all means if you want to. But what you can do that, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. Then again, you would add a street address, city and everything. And then just simply click next again. And then this is the review of the order for your company. And when you see the contact information, agent, company info, member info, business tax consultation, everything, click next again. And then the last step is billing information. So right here, you can have the first name, last name, street address, city, card number, and you have to fill everything here. So, and then what you do, you see on the right side how much it's going to cost, and then complete and pay. And this is pretty much it, how you can start your own LLC in Nebraska. Pretty easy, straight away. If you can have any questions, guys, you can easily call to Incfile or chat them with the customer support. And then you're good to go. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope you're going to have a great day. This was a tutorial how you can start your own LLC in Nebraska. See ya and goodbye.